On receipt of specific and reliable information, Vasco police conducted raid at Shantinagar, Vasco, and apprehended one Gadadhar Raut, age 40 years, native of Orissa, and presently residing in Welsam, Kasauli. He was found in illegal possession of 1.16 kg ganja, all worth rupees 1,16,000. The accused person is arrested for contravening the provisions of NDPS Act 1985. He is being interrogated to find out the source of the narcotic drug. This is the fourth narcotic raid which we have conducted for the current year, wherein we have seized nearly 8.5 kg ganja, which was meant for distribution to people in and around Vasco. Our drive against drug dealers will continue, and we are determined to stop this menace.
वास्कोत बेकायदेशीर व्यवहार वाडपाक लागल्या. पुलिशेक हाचेर आळाबंद हाडपाक अपेस आयला ही खोशयेची गजाल आसा. वास्को पुलिशेन बिरेस्तारा राती वास्कोत शिंदळकीचे रॅकेट चलोवप्यांचो पर्दाफाश केल्लो आनी तबस्सुम शेख हिका ताब्यात घेतिल्ली.
Police, based on reliable and specific information that one beauty parlor owner from Vasco is involved in prostitution activity and supplying girls to male customers for the sake of prostitution. We got a decoy customer, and through the decoy customer we contacted the said lady who volunteered to get a 18 years old girl to New Wadi near government school to be handed over to the male customer for 10,000 rupees. Accordingly, when she volunteered, we, along with the entire staff and punch witnesses, laid in waiting near the site, and the accused lady, Tabassum Sheikh, resident of New Wadi, arrived at the spot along with one 18 years old girl and was caught red-handed while accepting the cash after handing over the girl to the male customer who was a decoy.
Section कितना है?
The accused person, lady, has been arrested under section 4, 5 and 7 of the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. The rescued girl has been medically examined at Kotte Hospital Chikali and will be referred to State Protective for Mercies after getting orders from STM Vasco. The accused lady right now is in police custody and will be produced before JVS Vasco for seeking her remand in police custody. Further investigation in progress. Right now, preliminary inquiry is in progress to ascertain the real facts. The accused lady was running two beauty parlors, one near the church, Vasco Church, and the second one at New Wadi. We can't disclose more at this stage since our investigation progress.
RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.